Okay, so what do they say about everything happens in its own time? And I know a lot of people always talk about अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज़ चाहिए तो उसके लिए मेहनत करो, try hard and you will get it. I have this super small example of कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो अगर उस चीज़ का वक्त नहीं है तो वो नहीं होगा. So I was applying for a renewal of my passport and I was trying to upload a picture on the portal. I tried so hard for so many times. I think I'm doing it since March because I really wanted to, be a little bit more vigilant and do it before time so that I can plan my trips and other things in advance. And he did not let me upload one single picture of mine, which everyone around me when they were like renewing could like upload it like within a day or two, or like two attempts or three attempts. I tried doing like at least 4 to 5 attempts, and these are just like the physical copies that I went and got clicked professionally, and then like printed it. Did not work. None of these copies worked. I edited my pictures by taking it at home in my phone, in my camera, professionally editing it online. So yeah, none of this happened. None of it was my passport to be renewed, like my passport on file to be renewed, because I think I got a message from my lawyer as well where she was like, your passport is expiring and we need like a new passport number. And I was like, okay, let me sit with this photo again. And mind you, all this 3-4 months I was actually trying to upload my pictures, multiple times from home, but it wasn't happening. And then yesterday, I just clicked a picture from my front camera of my phone and I uploaded it and it worked. So, yeah, it just worked, and now I'm on my way to get like a printed copy for it so that I can send the application. But it was so shocking for me because, like, all I did was take a very basic picture, simple lighting, no sunlight, no crazy things, okay, just a simple ceiling light, and put it on like one of the like free app, just like updated it and like edited it, and the first copy that I submitted got accepted. And that's when I knew, कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, कितने भी परेशान हो लो, कितना कुछ कर लो, जो चीज को जब होना है ना वो तब ही होगी. वक्त से पहले किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता. ये छोटे से इंसिडेंट ने मुझे फिर से रिमाइंड कर दिया इस बात के लिए that everything in time, in divine time.